Imagine mo to. It's a holiday and nag-book kayo ng trip to a beach or a resort somewhere. Sabihin natin sa Boracay or El Nido. Tapos, kailangan nyong bumiyahe and gusto nyo party-party kayo. Meron kayong magandang sounds. So, alin sa mga to ang dadalhin mo? Tanggal na ito, masyadong mabigat at masyadong maganda. Tanggal na rin to, masyado ring malaki. Dito sa mga natira, medyo mabigat pero sabihin natin willing ka magbuhat at malaki yung maleta mo. Same with this, sabihin natin mahaba yung maleta mo pero medyo nalalaki na ako sa kanya. So dito sa mga natira, alin yung magandang tunog? X na kagad to. Walang bass, walang sub. Tanggal na kagad tong dalawang maliliit, masyadong mahina. And there were 3. And for the final question, alin sa tatlong to yung may pinakamagandang balance of loudness with sound quality and portability? And the answer for me is actually this. So this is the Wow Audio MyMove portable boutique speakers. I got this off Lazada for slightly over 12,000 pesos about a month ago, but it is currently on sale for less than 10,000 pesos. So ang laking discount. At dahil dyan, tingnan natin, there are 3 really strong reasons why this is a very good budol buy right now. 1 is because of portability, 2 is because of the sound quality, and 3 is local support. So umpisa natin sa dulo. The Wow Audio MyMove is actually designed and supported by AV Solutions Corporation. This is the company that's behind Grand Videoke. Sa kanila din yung Wow Fiesta, and they are everywhere all over the Philippines. Pag pumunta ka sa appliance centers, pag pumunta ka sa stores, pag pumunta ka sa SM department store, there's a chance na makita mo yung produkto nila. Hindi ito kagaya ng mga stores na direct seller galing sa manufacturer sa China na mahihirapan kang makakuha ng service or ng after sales support pag nabili mo na yung produkto. So in case magka-problem man, madali mo silang mahahabol. And you can verify this yourself. Punta kayo ngayon sa website nila, check nyo yung address ng showroom nila which is along EDSA, napakalaki at napakagandang showroom. Check nyo yung list ng kanilang service centers, hanapin nyo yung pinakamalapit sa bahay nyo. Pero I've had the opportunity to get in touch with the people behind this product, and would you believe that they actually designed this themselves? Which is why I'd like to encourage you to comment kung meron kayong tanong or kung meron kayong naiisip na pwedeng i-improve. For some of you, this might be something that you're gonna be using on a daily basis. That's a really strong reason why you should buy a local brand like the Wow Audio. Punta tayo ngayon sa point number 2, which is the sound quality. Naalala niyo yung mga speakers na pinakita natin sa intro? We actually tested all of them side by side. And while we are tempted to give this a ranking, we feel that it is so much better for you to hear the difference for yourself. Eto, pakinggan nyo.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the just meet me at the all you gotta do is just meet me at the all you gotta do is just meet me at the just meet me at the is just meet me at the all you gotta do is just meet me at the all you gotta do is just meet me at the
Narinig niyo ba yung difference? Actually, ako nung una ko nakita 'to, hindi ko inisip na magiging gano'n kaganda yung quality niya, pati yung lakas. Okey, magkaiba yun, kasi yung sound quality, it can be refined pero mahina or puwede siyang malakas pero puro lakas, hindi gano'n ka-refined or basag, 'di ba? Pagdating kay Wow Audio My Move, hindi lang maganda yung kanyang dynamic range. It's not just wide, it is also clear, and it is also very powerful, lalo na yung kanyang bass. There are times na parang nagva-vibrate na yung mismong kaha niya sa sobrang lakas ng subwoofer na nasa loob. Yun lang kung ako yung tatanungin, medyo bright yung kanyang default sound profile at very pronounced yung higher audio range. So, if you are like me and like most of the average listener that I know of, you might prefer a warmer sound profile. Thankfully, there are custom knobs that help you adjust the treble and the bass levels. Hindi ganun ka-wide yung stereo separation na makuha mo dito, but you can pair this with another Wow Audio My Move, just like what we did with the Wow Audio Jive. And that is a very nice feature. Now, what if hindi ka ganun kapihikan sa audio quality? What if gusto mo lang yung malakas at pwede mo pang party-party? Well, I have news to tell you. Pagdating sa bass, ito talaga yung pinakamalakas dun sa speakers na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ang may kaya lang tumalo dito pagdating sa loudness at sa bass is the Wow Audio Jive and the JBL Acoustics 300. And nakita nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yung dalawa. And oo, talo nito yung JBL Pulse 5 pagdating sa loudness at sa bass. You have to try it for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. Punta kayong mall, pagtapatin yung dalawa. Pakinggan nyo. Now, let's move to the last reason, which is portability. Tignan nyo naman. Sobrang liit. 'Di ba? Halos wala pang isang dangkal. And this thing weighs slightly over a kilo, which means you can easily pack it and carry it with you. Pasok mo sa knapsack, kasyang-kasya ito sa luggage, or you can even hand carry it like this. And you can customize it. It comes with this default black one, pero meron din siyang gray version ng trendy color case. And this is probably my favorite. But there are only two colors at the moment, but you can actually mix and match them. Gaya ng ginawa ko dito, pinaghalo ko yung gray case with the black handle para medyo sporty yung dating. At ang isa pang na-appreciate ko dito is that you can easily remove the handle kung ayaw mo nang may handle, or kung isasabit mo siya somewhere at yung pagsasabitan mo hindi mo pwedeng i-hook or hindi nakabukas, pwede mo tong tanggalin yung isang side tapos saka mo ikabit ulit dun sa speaker. And na-discover ko na okay siya as a car speaker nung ginagawa natin yung test. And using that setup, na gamit ko si My Move whenever I'm on the move or on the go. And I believe that really adds to the versatility of this already very portable and very versatile product. Now, with that being said, this is a first generation product, and there are certain limitations and a number of things and features that we've seen in all other modern day speakers that we'd like to see in the My Move, maybe in a future iteration, future version, or different variant of this product. And unang-una na yung software support. Currently, wala pang app si Wow Audio, and if you ask me, the only reason why I would want an app for the My Move is to tweak the equalization. It would be nice if you could change the default sound profile. Maganda rin sana kung meron siyang malaking line in or mic in for your mics or for your pickups. This would be useful for buskers, for people who perform live, or if you want to attach a microphone and use this as a PA system. The next thing on our wish list is ingress protection. Wala itong IP rating. Medyo nakakatulong yung trendy color case, pero syempre butas pa rin yung harap at likod nito. Tapos iba pa rin syempre kung rated talaga siya. Kahit IP65 lang to protect this against casual splashes, tingin ko sapat na. Isa pang pwedeng i-improve is the battery life, pati yung charging time. According to the official product page, this can last up to 8 hours. Pero nung tinesting natin siya, umabot lang siya ng 4 hours. In fairness, tinodo natin lahat. Tinodo natin yung master volume, tinodo natin yung bass, tinodo natin yung treble. Tapos, yung pinatugtog pa natin, talagang mabass at pang party na sounds. Last on our wish list is the design. Oo, maganda siya, classy tignan. Pero yung trend ngayon, pagka tinapat mo ito sa mga may RGB, mas ma-draw yung attention ng mga tao dun sa may RGB. I mean, tignan mo to. Without even hearing what these speakers sound like individually, alin sa dalawa yung makuha yung attention mo at makuha yung curiosity mo sa mall. Shout out kay Ted Claudio of What's Up for lending his JBL Pulse 5. Check out yung channel niya sa What's Up page tsaka sa Gear Acquisition Syndrome. Salamat Kuya Ted. So taking all of this into consideration, if you value portability, sound quality, and product support, make sure to check out the Wow Audio My Move. Lalo na ngayon na nasa less than 10,000 pesos siya, budol na siya. But again, this is something that you really need to hear for yourself, experience the product for yourself. Madali lang naman dahil Wow Audio is everywhere. Punta ka lang sa SM, hanapin nyo si Wow Audio. There's a chance na meron sila nito. Try it for yourself. Sabihin nyo dun sa merchandiser or dun sa sales attendant na nakita nyo yung review ni Tech Kuya at gusto nyo i-try yung Wow Audio My Move. But in the meantime, kung meron kayong questions, kita-kits tayo sa comments. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe kay Tech Kuya sa YouTube. And we'll see you guys there. Paalam!
You, baby, don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just need me.